Alfresco Exterior Cleaning had been contacted recently by one of our regular clients. They had this sports hall right next to their extension of their property and asked if we could help them out. After discussing what the options were, we decided to actually go with a soft wash solution mixed with wood wash, which is designed to work well with wood. And as you can see, it's taken away the dirt and grime and leaving the wood in a very nice clean condition. Once we've actually done the treatments, we then come back through and use wood preserve, which actually gives a preservative application to the wood. So wood wash is a soft wash solution chemical that can effectively clean wood and kill the microbes attacking and feeding off of it. All the chemicals that we use are 100% biodegradable, low VOCs and made for soft washing. They are also bleach stable.